this could be the only power bank that you need. You can charge your phone, your laptops, and more. Join me as we unbox the Anker 25,000 mAh power bank and see what's inside. Alright, let's start with the shipping box. The first thing that I noticed is how well everything was packed. They didn't just throw the product inside, but they added a lot of cushioning to make sure it stayed protected during shipping. And honestly, it worked. Even though this came from afar, the box arrived with no dents or damage at all. That's always a good first impression. Now that we've taken everything out from the shipping box, let's check out the actual product. So this is the Anker 25,000 mAh power bank. Right away, the packaging gives off a premium feel. Anker is the world's #1 mobile charging brand, and it's compatible with Apple, Samsung, and many other devices. So the box is sealed on both sides, and all the key features are printed around it. It honestly reminds me of unboxing a flagship smartphone. That's the kind of experience that you will get when unboxing this power bank. Alright, now let's peel off the seals, one side and the other side. Now for the moment that we've all been waiting for. Inside the box, the first thing you will see is the power bank wrapped around in protective plastic. We'll take a look closer at that in a second. Let's see what else comes in the box. We have the usual paperwork, including the user manual, which, let's be honest, most of us probably won't read it. And here's a nice bonus. Anker includes a carrying pouch. It has a soft rubber-like texture that feels so premium and is perfect for storing the power bank when you're not using it. Now let's get to the main event. This is the Anker 25,000 mAh power bank. The first thing that you'll notice is the weight. It comes around 591 grams, so it definitely feels solid and premium in your hand. This is the black version that I picked, but it's also available in white. So for a 25,000 mAh power bank, the size is actually very reasonable. It fits comfortably in one hand, making it much more portable than I expected. As for the build quality, I'd say I give it a 10 out of 10, and the design also gets a perfect score from me. It looks clean, modern, and very well built. One feature that I really like is the built-in USB-C cable. It supports both input and output, so you can use it to charge the power bank or charge your devices. It also doubles as a carrying handle, which is a nice touch. But my favorite feature has to be the retractable USB-C cable on the top. They call it Instacord. Just pull it out when you need it, and when you're done, pull it once more and it will automatically retracts back inside the power bank. It's super satisfying and keeps everything neat. On the other side, you'll also see the 165 watts label. That's the maximum total power output that the power bank can deliver across all of its ports at the same time. Now speaking of ports, you also get an additional USB-C port and a USB-A port, giving you more charging options for multiple devices. And that's it for today's unboxing of the Anker 25,000 mAh power bank. In the next video, we'll test its charging speed, real-world performance, and see if it's actually worth buying for. If you like to pick one, I'll just leave the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.